accidentally deleted WhatsApp or lost your messages after switching iPhones? Don't panic, your chats may still be recoverable if you have a backup. WhatsApp on iPhone relies on iCloud backups, and restoring them correctly is the key to getting your messages back. But you need to back them up regularly. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to restore your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone so you can recover your chats without confusion or data loss. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. First, you need to make sure that your chats are properly backed up. To check this, go to your WhatsApp and go to Settings. Tap on Chats. Tap on Chat Backup. Tap on Backup Now. To restore WhatsApp chats on the same iPhone or a new one, verify your phone number to restore from an existing iCloud backup. Take note that you must use the same phone number and Apple ID. Ensure your iPhone has sufficient storage to avoid incomplete restores. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye bye.